at how red it is.
We're gonna die. We could be
And
killed.
dust.
This is a really big deal. I don't know about y'all, but I'm
Doing that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's pretty crazy.
Oh,
Whoa.
hey.
Why are we standing here looking at this?
Colin, start
It
getting
looks
into
like
the truck.
it's gonna envelop us.
Colin, start getting into the truck, please. Colin, start getting into the truck.
Oh my gosh. This is insane. Okay. Holy crap. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Crap.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Look at.
Tanner, I'd start moving.
Oh my gosh. It's like a tornado. Oh my gosh. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Look at that. All the stuff.
Mom, are you taking a video?
Yeah, I am taking a video.
That car is flying.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Colin.
Just buckle up, buddy. Keep buckled up.
Colin, back up.
Keep buckled, buddy.
Colin. It's okay, buddy. Let's find some. My truck is damaged.
Oh my gosh. Okay. We need to like pull in somewhere that has.
I'm trying to get to the,
This is insane.
I'm trying to get to the main street so I can get out of these trees.
Yes, it was. And I got it all on video. This is insane. This is literally like 80 miles an hour.
Okay.
Holy crap. I understand the car. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is like hurricane.
That's why I'm just staying in this intersection here away from the trees.
Well, the trees, wouldn't you think that they're...
Oh, look at those trees over there. The trees down over there.
That came so fast. It was literally, I don't know if that was a tornado or straight line winds. I feel like this is just straight line winds.
Yeah, this is straight line winds. Bill's a tornado.
Mom, that is the most scariest thing that has ever happened to me in my whole entire life.
Oh.
Can you bring up your radar? I mean, these other, we're like in pitch black.
Mom, did you hear what
Ghetto
I said?
compromise.
Mom, did you hear what I said?
Yes, I heard you, buddy. I wonder how Marcus is. I hope he's okay. He was in the middle of... I mean, what hit you? Was it a chair?
It was a piece of shingles.
hearing that? Some wind gusts? Listen to that. That's insane.
Colin.
It's okay, Colin.
Colin.
Okay. What does the radar look like?
It's starting to light up too.
Oh, look at that. Is that a tornado watch?
Yeah.
What? What does that say?
No idea. Sorry, I'm just watching trees, make sure I don't get pummeled.
We're like right in the middle of that. What does the red mean?
No idea.
Okay, you just leave it.
That's why I started with the truck and moved it.
The service disruption, okay.
Oh, so I probably lost power or something.
Yeah,
there's a big tree down over there.
we were in a tornado warning. We literally just got out of a tornado warning. Or we're still in it.
There's a piece of fence right there. That tree's down. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
This person is
Crap.
going like 300 miles an hour behind me.
That's the house that we were just, the trampoline, that is insane. I don't know where they think they're going. How about you just stop, Tanner?
Where did their trampoline go?
Their trampoline is gone. I don't know where it went. I'm surprised it didn't hit your house. Okay, where are we? Okay. Yeah, we're like...
Just don't fall in my house. Fine tomorrow. Oh shit, my siding's... Look at my siding on the garage.
Oh, it's like flapping in the wind.
I tried to warn you.
You know what's funny though?
Shut your mouth.
They can get it fixed since you don't own it yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, your shingles are like going off.
There are chairs in the road.
Yeah? Colin, this is cold weather.
It was the grill that hit your truck. The grill that she was just using a second ago. Okay, going back to the radar.
It's getting better.
Yeah.
I cannot believe that. That's insane.
All the power's out. All their lights and stuff are off.
Yeah, where'd the trampoline go? It was right in the middle of the road and now it's gone. All their trash is spewed everywhere.
Hey,
We literally just had a tornado come through here.
hey Marcus. There's a trampoline.
There's a trampoline. It's down the block.
Yeah, your windows blew out in your vehicle?
Oh my gosh, seriously?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, we watched it coming. We were videotaping and we're like, okay, we're gonna get back in the truck. And the people across the street, their trampoline flew out, hit the back of my truck, and their grill that she was just using to grill chicken hit the back of my truck. There's a lot of trees down. Their trampoline is in
There's
yours.
a tornado warning, so I don't know if you want to continue on here.
All right.
What happened to Marcus?
His windows blew out in his
What?
truck.
Oh my gosh. Where isn't the rig?
Oh, look at that. It's so bad.
What? I don't see.
Trailer up there, straight ahead of us.
What about it?
Look at the trailer.
What? I don't see.
The tree in the trailer.
Where?
Straight ahead.
Oh, that tree.
If there were any people inside there, they should be blocked.
Oh yeah, it's totally blocking the entire road.
Mom, that was the most scariest thing.
I've got it all on video. That's insane. Okay, we can just drive around it.
Right now on the video, it looks light
And
out.
another tree is down right there. Huge
Oh
one.
my gosh.
Her whole entire swing set blew off.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Ugh, please don't mind that.
Let's go this way. See what
So where are we gonna go?
Is he? Where is he?
happens. He's at the hotel. Should we go meet him?
Well, Is he gonna come out here, or are we just skipping this walkthrough? What are we doing?
Probably not. We're probably gonna be good. I'm gonna go see what main help markets.
Where's the hotel?
Interstate.
Oh, there's a tree down.
There's another tree down there.
Huge one.
Yeah.
Oh, that one over there. Down.
That branch just fell down right in front of me.
These people are going like 100 miles an hour on these streets.
They need to just chillax. It's not like.
Mom, on your phone, it's really bright out.
But it's really actually dark in person.
Whoa, welcome to Hartford. I'm glad
We're still in a tornado warning, okay? So let's just mind ourselves. That one broke off. And that guy's in the middle of the street. That flagpole just bent over. Oh wow.
Stop sign go over.
Oh yeah. Their window blew out.
That's why I doesn't go see the couple of markets.
Well, he doesn't really need help. People are just sitting here. I think they just like turned their cars off and ran inside the building and left their trucks out. I don't know where they're going.
I think some people have to die.
That's not very nice to say.
No, I think some people didn't.
There's just some heavy winds. This is far out of the
Yeah, look at that. Nobody has power.
This is probably on the news.
Huge storm.
Okay, going that way is closer to the tornado warning, so maybe don't go that way.
The road is right there.
What road?
That's the main road of the town, right there.
Oh.
Going into the tornado warning.
Because that's the main road.
Yeah, I didn't hear any sirens at all.
I did a little bit, but they're far away.
I'm out of the way.
Yeah, it looks like it hasn't even hit us yet.
Yeah, UPS guys like, look in. Traffic lights. Oh my gosh, look at the tractor trailer.
Semi flew over.
Oh my god. Oh, we gotta look at the gas station.
Oh, the gas station got ripped apart. Look at, watch out, there's beams all over the road.
Yeah, I see.
Like literally everything, just debris. Creepy. Did the windows? Oh, I guess
Oh,
they
yeah.
weren't even.
The windows blew out.
windows blew out of that truck too.
This brother was crap.
I don't know why you want to still under this thing. It could fall on us. Oh yeah, their window blew out. Ah! Man, I'm getting rained on. Seriously, now I'm all wet. Thank you. I'm glad that the diesel guys didn't blow over.
Mom, we should get inside the gas station.
We're not going to be much safer in there than we are in here.
At least I'm over here.
Yeah, that's dark and green over there. It looks not like that bad, but it's dark over there. That's where we just came from, is all that darkness. The darkness. So, do you know where this hotel is?
Right there.
Oh, over here?
How
Oh.
am I feeling rain when the windows are shut?
Because I had this one crack, so my window.
Oh yeah, it doesn't even have a sign anymore because it blew away.
They're closing this door.
They are closed.
No, I had this window open so my window doesn't blow out. That's the last thing I want to pay for.
I thought he had like a white
Oh my gosh, look at that semi truck.
Oh no, the semi flew over. Oh, that sucks.
Is he out? Is he out of it?
Semi blew over.
Is he out of the truck at least?
I don't know. Oh, there's.
Where are we going?
Colin.
Do we see Marcus anywhere? A car pulled over to help him. I don't know if he's in the semi still. Can we see if Marcus is here? Is that him? Oh, he's right. He's in that red car, red truck, under the awning. Look at them. They're just like crammed in here. Oh, look at his windows. That's a bummer. Oh, there he is. Okay, let's get out.
Alright.
All right, signing off. That's scary. Yeah.